In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Zoho Campaigns account. If you've decided that Zoho Campaigns no longer suits your needs, it's important to follow these steps carefully to ensure your account is closed correctly. We'll walk through the process methodically, making it as smooth as possible for you. Let's start by navigating to the Settings section of your Zoho Campaigns account. This is essentially the control center where you can manage key aspects of your account. In the Settings section, you'll find various options that allow you to customize your experience, but right now, we're interested in the subscription area. Think of this part as the financial hub of your account, where all subscription-related activities are managed. Once you've clicked on subscription, you're now looking to cancel your current plan. This is an essential step in deleting your account because Zoho Campaigns, similar to many other services, requires you to first terminate any active subscriptions before proceeding with account deletion. By canceling your subscription, you are notifying Zoho that you no longer wish to use the service or be charged in the future. Ensure you review any final billing notices and understand if there are any consequences to canceling at this time, such as losing access to certain data or services immediately. To confirm the cancellation, you need to follow the on-screen prompts carefully. The system will probably ask for your confirmation to ensure that canceling wasn't a mistake and that it's aligned with your decision. Be sure to read through any instructions or implications that are highlighted during this part, because they often include details about data retention or how to access any information after the cancellation. Once you have confirmed the cancellation, you typically should receive a notification or confirmation email verifying that your subscription has been successfully terminated. It's a good practice to check your email for this notification to make sure everything went through as planned. Remember, canceling your subscription halts any ongoing payments, but it might not immediately close your account or delete your data. If you're intending to completely erase your presence from Zoho Campaigns, you may need to send a request for complete data deletion through their support team or follow additional steps provided in their help section. Always double-check the official Zoho Campaigns guidelines or reach out to their customer support for clarification if you're unsure. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Zoho Campaign subscription. Make sure to verify any additional follow-up steps if you wish to completely remove your account. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.